Hi guys, thanks for joining me again on this journey of awareness, this journey of being a better version of ourselves. Yeah. Now today we're going to talk about using our gifts and talents to realize our true potential. Okay. I want you to think about the successful people that you know about. Okay. Take for example Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey was born very poor. Yeah, I'm sure that when she was born, she didn't know what she was born to do, right? And look at her now. People like Netflix CEO Reed Hastings, yeah, he was a door-to-door vacuum cleaner salesman for a while before he became, successful like he is now. Even somebody like Ralph Lauren, the fashion designer, the fashion brand, yeah, he was a clerk before he is what he is today, and look at his success now. So we do not know what we're born to do. We may not know it now, okay, and we'll touch on that later. What we know is, or what we have is very true potential. We have true potential inside of us. Now any skill can be learned. Okay. Take for example, when I first started working, I was in construction. Yeah. So when I was in my teenage years and all, I didn't know what I wanted to do. And I looked at my dad. My dad was in construction. Yeah. So I thought, okay, that seemed fun. And it paid okay. So I'll just do that. So I went to, had to go to school to study a few years to learn how to be in that industry, and then had to be in the field for at least a year before I knew how to do stuff. Yeah. So I had to learn the skills to be able to work there. However, was that my calling? No. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I just followed what my dad did and just did that, and I did that for many years. Yeah. And I let people pull my strings, although I started my own company and all that stuff, but it just wasn't what I was meant to do. It was still people driving my car. I was just in the back seat. What people wanted to be done. I just did it, kind of thing. Yeah. So later I found out about, I experienced training, and I loved it, and I knew that this is what I wanted to be in, what I wanted to do, what I wanted to how I wanted to help people. Yeah. To help everyone, or to help people with whatever is holding them back, to help people to be achieving the goals that they want to achieve, to get rid of the limiting beliefs that they have. Yeah. So how did I get into training? Well, again, I had to learn stuff. Yeah. And I had to follow, really really good trainers. I had the very good fortune of having very good trainers to learn from, and I'm doing it today. Yeah, I'm doing it today. Okay, there may be stuff that you're good at, there may be skills that you already have. Some people have fantastic fashion sense. Now, you have fantastic fashion sense, contact me because I need your skill. Okay. Some people may be good at math. I'm good at math. I took a lot of training, yeah, because of the construction and all the calculating and stuff. So I'm good at math. So you may be good at math, or you may be good at organizing stuff, or you may even be good at talking to people, yeah. So these are skills that you already have. When you nurture those skills, you're on the path, you're on the way to greatness already. When you nurture those skills, or you may have a passion that you don't necessarily have the skill for at this point. Yeah, any skill, almost any skill can be learned. Any skill. Yeah. Have you met anyone that was passionate about what they do, and pursued that passion by learning the skill, learning how, putting in the years, and are successful at where they are now? I'm sure you have, right? I'm sure you have. Well, Les Brown said this. He asked this question: where do you think the wealthiest place on earth is? Wealthiest place. And it's not in the Middle East where all the oil fields are. It's not in the diamond mines of South Africa. He says that it's in the cemetery, it's in the graveyard. And I agree with him, because all the unrealized potential, the wealth of potential there is in the graveyard. People who have not done what they're supposed to do, or what they are put here to do, their destiny, not achieve their destiny. Yeah. So I want you to think about the gifts you have, or I want you to think about, what you are good at. Yeah. If possible, it would be good for you, make a list of what you're good at. Have a look at that and acknowledge yourself, affirm yourself that, I'm good at fashion. I have an eye for color. I don't wear really weird clashing colors when I go out, when I dress, yeah. Or I'm good at math. I can calculate things faster than some people when they're using a calculator. Yeah, there are some people like that, okay? And that's a skill, yeah? That's a skill, that's a gift, yeah? That's a talent. Or I'm good at talking with people. What do I mean by that? You make friends easily. You have a lot of friends and you go into a room and you can just talk to anybody. Now that's a skill. That's a talent. And a lot of people do not have that talent. You have that talent, congratulations. And some people are good at organizing. You go into their home and you see, wow, everything is so neat. Everything is put away. They've got correct, or they've got their place for everything. One of those people, or their work is very organized. They can work out a spreadsheet around circles of most people. Yeah, spreadsheets. Oh yeah, I need some upskilling in that spreadsheet stuff. Yeah, so I want you to think about your skills, the skills that you have, and in the next video, we will share about how we will utilize those skills, and how I want you to think about your passion too. Passion meaning that maybe you like to maybe you like to fish, or maybe you like to cross stitch. My mother-in-law loves to cross stitch, and you should see the amazing stuff she can come up with. Yeah, or maybe you like to cook. That's your passion. Yeah, I want to think about your passion. In the next video, we'll talk about developing your gifts and developing your passions. Yeah, so have a list, check it out. Come in with the knowledge, okay, and we'll talk about that in the next video. All right. Thanks for listening, guys. Thanks for being here, and thanks for joining us here in this journey of being a better version of ourselves. Yeah.